Oh, bitch, 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 swag, swag, bitch. Whatever you make, I'll make it one day. I fucking spend it. Whatever you make it, fucking one day. I fucking spend it. My life's stupendous, my life's expensive. I'm jumping this, I get naked. Yo, bitch, you wanna suck my dick though. You niggas that disrespect me, then I'm reaching for my pistol. I got my own swag. You fucking niggas try to jag, but y'all niggas that did it bad. So can I fucking get that back?
I'm a motherfucking legend, I'm a motherfucking legend, nigga. Made 100,000 in a trap house. Nigga 40 cow in a trap house. Throw up, shout out to Big Gucci. Yeah, nigga talking cash, they don't really want it. Run up on me talking, show me my opponent. I'm in the street now, I'm with the bin now. And I ain't playing, yeah, nigga got the street now. Bye. Yeah, I lay a nigga out and I ain't playing, understand. Yeah, I'm coming from the South, Birmingham, Alabama. Show me want the hammer, I ain't playing with the nigga. Understand propaganda, how I lay a nigga down. Got the gold crown, I ain't playing with a nigga. Better do it right now. Ridiculous, a nigga so ridiculous. Epiphany, my swag is so ridiculous. And now you niggas see the shit. I'm throw, I'm swinging, I'm hard like a baseball. I already know the brick, hard like a baseball. And y'all base dog, and my base hard. And these niggas talking shit, but yeah, my base hard. Shouting I'm a motherfucking rebel to the city. These niggas touching, but I'm at the dollars grabbing titties. Yeah, a nigga stay swagged out. My nigga Flores right here, and he swagged out.
Nigga talking, nigga fuck the talking. This money in the bag will put you in a coffin. Nigga, man, I'm laughing like what the fuck is happening? It happened over rapping, that's what you get for talking smacking. I'ma shoot you with the llama. My nigga bring the drama. I'm coming for your mama. Put that on my mama. Count so much money, how you niggas looking funny, how you niggas looking bummy. When I pull up, man, you ugly. See me in the club, sipping out the bottle, next to a model.
What's happening with it, man? You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is.
Who?
Bitch, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Bodyguard time right here, but one.
Straight out the ground and see my shadow like a gopher. Then I make it rain 4 months, it's over. Drink till I'm drunk, smoke kush, never sober. You can get your ass burnt from the toaster in my holster. As I got older, I just got more bolder. Never ran from war, I came out like a soldier. Ballin' like Jordan, you can call me Brian. And bitches, they hooked on me like hooked on phonics. They love me, they say I'm so famous. No English, so we speak sign language. Yo, nigga better hit your home. I grab little niggas from they dome. I don't give a fuck, nigga, go to your house. I don't give a fuck, nigga, punch you in your mouth. Look good, so much cash flow. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking asshole.
Where you check your fingers at 4 o'clock in the morning. This is how we get down.
Look, that's a nigga knocking, you feel me?
There you go, huh?
Oh, yes. Activist quit activating, bitch.
We do it like that though. We do it like that though. We walk all the way to the front and get some shit. Yeah, my nigga.
Hold on, my nigga.
Them niggas is knocking. I ain't gonna fuck about the knocking.
Who is it?
You see my nigga walking through with the pink dolphin.
Who is it?
See my nigga Freddy. What up, Freddy?
Who the fuck is knocking, my nigga?
You knocking, my nigga. You supposed to be watching.
Who is it?
Oh.
Man, nobody order no Boston pizza, homie. Man, nobody order. Ain't nobody order no Boston pizza, man.
You're very busy there, maybe.
What's up, man?
So what are you gonna shot me, man?
What's up, man? Yeah, we just order. You know what I'm saying? We
You
get
gonna-
chicken fingers, you know what I'm saying? How much is it, boss?
30 bucks.
Hold on.
Hold on.
What?
Blood on my blog. Okay, this one is mine. This one is Dayton's.
That's where they.
And this one is my nigga Donnie shit.
You feel me?
I get it from the front. I swear I don't give a fuck. Do you want it from the back or you want it from the front? Do you want it from the back or you want it from the front? Do you want it from the back or you want it from the front? I swear I don't give a fuck. I'm in the studio trap. Sometimes I say nigga I ain't fucking doing right. To my school, niggas sometimes I say nigga I ain't all they bitches.
Tastes like rich nigga chicken fingers.
Rich nigga shit.
It's rich nigga shit. We in Boston right
We're signing out. But I'm telling you like this. I own you niggas.
now. Boston at the hotel.
Niggas know what it is.
Deep love.